Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install powerful open source CRM software for your business. And what it does is you can use it to manage your customer base, like customer relationship and project management. Use it to check invoices, use it for setting goals, projects. If you have maybe leads generation that you want to convert them to sales, this software is the best for you. So for those that wants to know how to install this, first, if you have purchased that from Cocayon, and of course you can also reach out to me for installation, full installation. If you need help in getting them, just know that there are fee required for it. Now I want to show you how you can install this for your business and get it running live. Now first of all, if you have buy the code, the script from Cocayon, you can also check via the description. You see the link attached there. You can also do that. And after doing that, ensure you have it downloaded and ensure you have your license already. After that, then you go to file manager, of course, through control panel, then import the file. You can see there's a paid one already and it's already imported to the file manager. So after doing that, of course, you must have your database ready. Database must be ready. That is where all of these files will be stored on. So so you must have that ready as well. So now let's get right to it by installing this from the beginning to the end. Now let's extract this first. After extracting, on the same root folder, don't forget the domain you are installing it on must also make sure the file is also installed there. So now we don't need all of this again. Now you can see it has been extracted successfully. You can see code Canyon. And now this we don't need any longer. We can delete it or just leave it. Now this is a file that we need to open from, and we go to the Perfex CRM itself, select all, then move to the root folder. What's the root folder? Let's delete. Root folder is where the domain you are installing it on. Move it on the root folder. Then you go back, ensure that it has been moved to the root folder, which is this. So we don't need this. Let's delete this. We deleted this. So now we have the file already. So you can leave this zip file and you can delete it just in order to affect, give you a lot of space, take a lot of space in the file manager system. Now don't forget, like I said, you have to create database, user database where you'll be installing it on. So now we have it already. Now let's launch the website and let's see. So easy. But if you are stuck anywhere, like I said, always ensure to reach out to me via the details on the screen and I'll get it done for you in 48 hours. Without any further ado, let's come with ng. Now let's check this out. Okay, sir. Now it says that, one second, it says that I should click on this instead. So I'm supposed to add /install beside it. Now ensure that your hosting qualifies for all of this extension, because anyone that does not qualify, it will show red. It might show disabled. So ensure your domain, your hosting qualifies for this PHP. So because these are the requirements required to install this software. It's already written down here. If you go down, you see the requirement that you need to get it installed. So after passing the requirement, which is this already, if it has been enabled, we can now go to the next one and check if it meets up the permissions for all of the files that was imported in file manager. Then you can all of them meet up the files. You say okay. Anyone that is not going well, it says decline. Now let's move on to set up the database. Now always leave this as localhost. No issue on that. Like I said, you have to create the database from the same panel. Then you add the information. I've already created mine. Now let me add the information of that already. Now let's create let's do this again. And let's do the password again. Now note, you need a license code. Do not forget, you need a license code to get bypass this. So put your license code and ensure. I'm going to blur that part. I'm going to skip that part. So I don't want you read the license code part. So you need license code to be able to use the software. Once you purchase from Code Canyon, you get a license code. So now let's check. Let me skip this part and check. Yeah, successful. You can see it's live. I've put the what is it called, license code and everything. So now let's set up a name for it. I can change this later. Just to run this tests, uh, tests, let's say test name. I can always change this later. Tests at email.com. Tests at 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you can set your time zone, anyone, you can always change this later. I just want to do this so that I can get the installation done with. So I won't bore you guys to make the process be too long. So ensure you know these details, or else you'll be able to log in. Okay, I think I'm just, and this is where it's been installed on. Now click on install. Yep, successful. We are live. So this is the admin dashboard. This is the customer dashboard. So let me click and log in on the admin's dashboard. So it says, now note, it says delete the installation folder. Now let's do this. So now let's delete the install folder. Go to the file manager back in the root domain. So we look for the install folder. This is the install folder. Then we delete it. Or else if you don't delete, the website will not run. So now it has been deleted. Now let's rerun the website. Admin dashboard. Now you can see it's live. So now let's use the details I used to log in. Test. Yeah, gmail.com. Yeah, let's log in now. Invalid password. Oh no. Let's try now. See what I'm saying? So it becomes a problem if you forget your password. So you have to reinstall everything from beginning to the end. Let's check this. So now let's log in now. I had to reset the password. Let's log in now. Now let's log in. I'm going to block these details. Enter. Yep. So we are in the back end. So this is just a simple way about to install this. You can see easy peasy. Follow it directly. And if you find it difficult to set it up for your business, or set it up for your project, for personal, business, let me know. Contact me via details on the screen, and it will be done for you and ready for 8 hours. So you can set up them in the customer dashboard, etc. You can start using it, start getting those customer details, their lead, their support, contract, project expensive, subscription, because it's a SaaS website. So now I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed, like, come your way. Bye.